In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable image zoom for single product pages in JupyterX. When you hover over a product image in JupyterX, by default the image will automatically zoom in, allowing you to magnify the image. This is a brand new feature to JupyterX, but you can disable it to prevent the image zoom in your product pages. In order to disable image zoom for a single product page, let's go to the Customizer. From your website's product page, click Customize in the WordPress toolbar here at the top. Once inside the Customizer, click on Shop, Product Page. Then you can disable the image zoom option here inside the settings. And once you click Publish, the image zoom will be disabled. Thanks for watching. Cheers!